Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TK Maths is Fun. In today's video, which is video number 1 on logarithmic functions, and it is a part of the syllabus of A Level Mathematics P3. By the way, it doesn't come in the syllabus under the heading of algebra, so let me remove this from here. It comes separately. Okay, so here are the 3 QR codes. You can scan them to watch more videos on P3, S2 and M1. So let's start. What are logarithmic function? All of you have seen in your calculator the function log is there. What is its purpose? What does it do? Log basically itself tell you to or help you to find out the formula, power, right? So for example, if I take example here, 10 power 1, everyone knows it is 10. 10 power 2, it is 100. If I say 10 power something is giving me 40. 40 is a number between 10 and 100 somewhere. So it means the power should be somewhere in between 1 and 2. So how will I find that power? So this is how log helps you to find out the power of certain base. Usually we talk about 2 bases. One is 10 and one is e. So any number which can be changed into base 10 is called common log. So I can say I want to change 70 into base power. So I will call it common log and I will use it. It is represented by log base 10. This is how it is written. And if I want to change it to base e, which is called natural log, then it means 40 can be written as e power something, which is called natural log. Rules we will study for either natural log or common log, it is same. So we will just consider one of the cases and it will be applicable in all. So first of all, I'm giving you the idea what is log basically is. So this is called natural log, right? So whenever the log has base e, it is called ln. And when log has base 10, it can be written like this, and sometimes it is written as lg also. Okay. This is the basic understanding of logarithm. Now we will come to the log rules so that we can apply them. There is a limitation in log. Log is only defined for positive numbers. So for example, if I'm writing like this, let me write here the same example I have taken. 40 is equals to 10 power x. How will I apply log to get this value of x? So you can take your calculator now. X is equals to log of 40 base 10. You will have a calculator in your button. You can see on the right hand side. You can press in it and you will get the answer. Let me see here also what do I get. It is 1.6 something. Log of base 10 and 40 is giving me 1.602059991. So if I will write up till, for example, few decimal places, and to check it out, if I do 10 power x, with this substitution, so I will get 39 point something, 999 something. However, if you use in the calculator 10 power answer, once you get this answer, do not press any button, do 10 power answer, then it will give you exact 40. I hope you understand, because when we round off the values, it also round off the final answer. So what did we learn from here? That how to change log form into index form or index form into log form. You can see here the example I have taken. So similarly, if this is your log form and you want to change it into index form, it will become x is equals to a power y. This you have to understand because this will be applied multiple times. So here I was saying this value of x has to be greater than 0, positive. Otherwise, error will come. Log is not defined for negative number. There is a reason. I'm not going into that reason right now. You can see my other videos on it, which are basically to describe the reason behind. And a is the base. Base has to be greater than 0 but it cannot be 1, right? You can follow my Instagram also, where I explain short videos to explain these reasons only. So a cannot be equals to 1, but it has to be greater than 0. So now coming to the rules which we will apply in the question straight away. Let me erase this. So we have seen the condition. Okay. So first rule is, and these do not remember in one time. So it will take some time. When you practice again and again, you get it. So if two functions are multiplying, case number 1, for example, I have log of base 10, and it is x square times 2x plus 3, right? Suppose I don't want to open the bracket. So how can I write it? This is my first function, this is my second function. So I can write it as log base 10 x square plus log 10 2x plus 3, right? Similarly, if I have it in the division, it will be minus in between. If you have this third rule, for example, log of base 10 x square. Achha, by the way, this first one is called product rule. This is called quotient rule. And this is power law. So this 2, which is power, can come here as a multiplier. So it can be written as 2 times log of x base 10. And log of 1 is always 0, irrespective what is the base. Answer is always 0. And this is also very important. Log of a number with the same base. So if I have 5 here and 5 here, the answer will be 1. So log of a number with the same base is always 1. So here again we are applying, if you see this rule, what is happening here? Log of b power k base b. If I bring this k here, it will become log b base b. And we have just seen, when log of a number with the same base is same, it is equals to 1. So that's why it is k. So let's see the applications in the question. Only then you can remember it. Like this, it is not easy to remember, right? So let's just start. I will solve 7-8 questions, not all in one videos. If you will watch all slowly and practice, automatically you will start making use of it. So now let's see here. ln x minus 5 is equals to 7 minus ln x. Question is saying give your answer in 2 decimal places. So now there are 2 terms of ln. I will bring them to one side. There are 2-3 ways to solve it, right? Not just one way. I will tell you 1 or 2 more ways also. Now if I see here, I can apply here product rule. There is plus sign between them. The coefficient is 1. So it can be written as ln x times x minus 5 is equals to 7. Right? So this is, I'm applying here product rule. Now this is my log form. How to change it into index form? So what did I tell you? If you have, for example, log of x base a equals to y, how can you change it into index form? This thing, whatever is here, x is equals to base is a, this becomes power. So here also this whole is my acting as x here. So it will be x minus 5. Base was a here. What is the base here? E. When it is ln, it means, I told you ln mean log base e. It means base e is here. So I can write e power 7. I'm just using this rule, how to convert log into index form. Then I will expand the bracket. It is my quadratic equation. I will apply the formula using calculator. I will try to get the answer of x. Let me use it. You can also use a calculator. You know how to find it out. So I'm doing it quickly. Give me a second. Okay, so it is coefficient 1, coefficient minus 5, and constant is minus e power 7, right? So I am getting answer. One answer is coming 35.709 and other answer is coming minus 30.709. Now will you consider both the answers? No. The reason is, if you look at the question here, it was given to you ln x also here, and there was ln x minus 5 here. And I told you ln is not defined for negative number. So if you substitute this here, or if you substitute this here, it will be ln with negative number. Ln of a negative number is not defined. So this answer is not applicable. So my only answer will be 35. And question says give answer in 2 decimal places. So 35.71 is my final answer. So you will circle. If you will leave it here, you will lose 1 mark. So I hope this question is clear. In the next video, we will solve more questions. Otherwise, length of the video will go longer. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe it